Okay, so this is the master bathroom. As you can see, it's the same nasty tile, same brown trim, same cheap construction grade cabinets, mirror. It's got the light attached. You can see there's a plug here, a plug here, next to the mirror, and the mirror is centered with this. It's kind of an awkward. It doesn't reach from side to side of the cabinet and the sink. So this is where we're going to be starting. It's such a small space in here. I can't believe this is actually considered a master bath. Toilet, obviously, more trim. As you can see, there's the vent. All this up here is where we had mold growing because we literally have moisture that drips down these walls when we're taking a shower. This vent is also underpowered for the size of this bathroom, believe it or not. So even with this on, 20 minutes later, we still have steam and stuff in here, and it's been causing issues in the master bedroom on the window over there because of the temperature difference. So we get moisture built up over there as well. So this is just a standard shower insert with a tub, and this used to be a jacuzzi tub supposedly. And I apologize for the mess because I'm about to start doing some demo. But as you can remember, the tub itself is old. We had the silicone, big huge crack. All this is cracked. It's starting to wear down. That's actually not rust. Those are not stains. It's some kind of chemical reaction from just how old this tub is. Even the old caulking, it seems to be where the water sits, and it's just stained. As you can see in here, the caulking that they put in between this stuff is gone. It's pulled away from the fake tile. This is just a plastic insert. So if you pay attention, that's kind of solid and it's hollow back behind here. Same thing on this wall, but we can actually push this back. And I noticed the other day that there's actually gaps on top of here where they never even put silicone. So I can only imagine what the mold's going to look like back behind this wall, because this is not cement board. It feels like drywall on some of these spots, particularly up here. So hopefully it's not too bad. All of this is actually a mold blocker to help prevent the mold from building back up. So we're going to paint all the walls, get all this stuff gone, and so hopefully we'll have a new bathroom within the next few weeks. Our biggest concern is this tub. We're going to put a shower only in, so we've got to destroy this. I'm not sure what even is under here to make that determination right now, but once this is gone, we'll get a better look at what's under there and see. My guess is there might be some old jacuzzi tub piping or something running through here, because the trap door is actually in the closet just on this side of the tub. Alright, so we're going to get started on this, and we'll do another little project. Hopefully I can keep a little more up to date on what's going on. But today we're just going to be pulling out the trim here, and that's really about it. And then this weekend we may start doing some more demo, and maybe start pulling up some of the tile, see what's in here. Alright, well, stay tuned. This one's going to be fun.